Hi there. In this really quick video I'll be taking a look at this Tefal Easy Fry Compact air fryer. We already have a Tefal, one that is 99% mechanical. It has a mechanical timer, it has a mechanical set for the temperature, so it's a bit different from this one, which is electronically controlled. That one, I think, in my opinion, it's more robust in time, but we found this at a really big discount randomly and decided, you know what, if that one will ever fail, it's nice to have this one as a backup, so why not? The capacity of it is 3 liters. It has presets, the other one doesn't have. I will link the video in the description for the other one. That one doesn't have presets, again mechanical all the way. Fast cooking, no preheat. Okay, interesting. So let's see. Oops, sorry about that. No oil, little to no oil. Yes, for some things you just need a tiny bit of oil on them. Hot air technology. Yes, this, to dumb it down, simple it down, it has a resistance at this level somewhere, electrical resistance that heats up, and a fan that moves the air over the resistance and moving it and cooking stuff with the hot air up to 2000 degrees. Yeah, 10 presets, timer for 60 minutes, and again 3 liter capacity. But yeah, it's still simple. Only complicated part, the electronics that might not be as reliable as a purely mechanical, or what, I have a bit of fluff on my finger, what the hell, mechano-electrical one that we had in the previous video. But anyway, this should still be good, so let's open it up and take a look. Let's see what we have inside here. Manuals, nice packaging, cardboard, easy to recycle. Put it on the side and let's see what we have inside. Oh, come on, come out of there. Yeah, and this is all the fanciness. Ooh, I hate shiny plastics like this on kitchenware, at least, because they will get scratched. Even more, we also have another thing that we need to peel off. So here it's showing us what it can display. Probably it has lights, LEDs beneath the symbols, and it can illuminate them. And here a tiny display with time and I'm guessing also temperature. Yes, it's quite a clean look on it, but I don't like again shiny plastics. They will scratch quickly. Remove the tapes from it. Remove also this, so for 4 person that's the goal at least, but depending on how much they eat, you could have more or less people eating from this thing. And yep, it's this simple. Again, a resistance that heats up. This is a limiter, so do not push it against the wall more than this, and also try to direct this close to an air vent so the hot air can go upwards. Do not direct it towards things that can be melted, like plastics from other kitchen appliances. That would be really bad. Pull it out. Let's see what we have here. Something to prevent scratches in transport. This to keep the tray in place. And the tray comes out. Yes, this one is significantly smaller than the other one. And the tray then goes in here, and that's about it. Up. Didn't align it properly. Does it have something to hold it in place? It actually might. You might see it down there. It's like a little bump. So in theory, and here a silicone element, we will not remove the silicone. In the other one I did remove some silicone elements because the manual wasn't clear if they need to be removed or not. I contacted Tefal and they told me, yeah, remove them. They are packaging. No, they were not. They were meant just to keep this tray in place so you could actually pour what you baked in it. You could put it into something. So now put it under the... Can I give you a bit light? No, I cannot. Sorry about that. There's a lamp in there, and then you just push it in here in the silicone and so you can drop it like this, but be warned, sometimes depending on what you are cooking, some oil might gather at the bottom, and when you do it like this you can pour the oil. So yeah. The other model has a lot of vents on the side, so it's not keeping the hot air that much internally, it's also allowing it to come on the outside. This one doesn't. So this one is fully sealed. I think it's easier to clean, honestly, in this shape that this one has. But yeah, overall, that's about it. And internally, exactly what I was telling you. Just a simple heater and a fan that is going to be blowing the air from the heater downwards in here and will cook everything. It's like an electrical oven, honestly, that has the same system like this one. So pretty simple. Could you actually lock, please? Are we missing something? Didn't I pull something out? Interesting. No. Should be going in. I see no reason why it's not going in. Ah, okay. So try to lift it a tiny bit and then it goes in much easier. That's weird. Okay. So yeah, I guess you need to do that. Lift it a tiny bit for it to go in easier. Now let's plug it in and cook something in it. Obviously here's the manual. I'm going to quickly show it to you in case you don't have yours anymore. Feel free to pause at any time. I will only show the English part, otherwise this would end up way too long for YouTube algorithms. Jesus, hard to pronounce that. You have here some recipes. You can pause for them, obviously. And I think we are already in French, so did I miss anything? No, I don't think I missed anything. That's about it, that's all you get. And obviously also you have an international warranty and safety instructions, so yeah, read those, plug it in and cook something. We'll be making some onion rings and we'll be using the settings for air fryer. When the thing that I'm making doesn't have settings for air fryer, I use the ones for electrical oven and it has always worked well. Limit is just the temperature, because you will only be able to go up to what this allows, which is 200 degrees, but you go to that and it should be just fine. So this washed it already, and now I can put this in. Onion rings are in there. Plug this in but did not start up, so I'm guessing it has some sort of switch. Yeah, I cannot push it. This side is a bit janky, so you need to slam it in there and it will go in. I'm guessing this is a bit too tall and it rubs at the bottom. I will either file it down a bit or leave it like this and it will file itself down by use. But anyway, now it's ready for us, but I need to plug it in properly. And now, should I long press this? Okay. Ah, okay, so now we need to press on that. So start, stop. What? No. Long press on this, reset it. Okay, so now we set this, let's say... Ah, so you change from heat to... I'm not using the manual, I'm just guessing So that's max, and they told us 8 minutes. Nice thing with this one, you can be way more precise in time than with the other one. I'm going to say 10 minutes because it's not preheated, so I'm giving it a bit more. Yeah, it's fries. Yeah, I think we are close enough with fries. You cannot adjust the fan temperature, maybe only by changing what you are doing. It might also change the fan or not. No, it doesn't. So now I need to go again into this and change them back to what I wanted them. So 10 minutes, 200, and I'm guessing Go Planet, and it's doing its thing. So now I will let it finish, but at 5 minutes I think I'm going to open it and move the onion rings and then allow it to continue. Yeah, it's much more precise than the mechano-electrical one, the other model, but it's a bit harder to work with because you are going to menus, not just rotating two knobs and be done with it. This is the exact model number and it can draw maximum 1330 watts. Half time, so simply pull it out, it went off, and now agitate them. They are already cooking, nice. Slammed it back in, it's continuing, so it's awesome. It has a memory that's really good. Just a curiosity, on the other one it's really easy, just rotate a bit more to add 1 more minute. Let me see, can I add 1 more minute? Oh no. Okay, so you press on this, it allows you to change it. Okay, and then I think I press twice to, and now, so I added another minute. That's great, you can actually add more time or change the temperature even while it's doing its thing. Perfect. And yes, sorry about the noise, it was the air vent sucking air from this. It's quite, it doesn't make almost any noise, just a faint fan noise. But I want my air vent gathering all the fumes up, so yeah, that was making all the noise. Finished. Ooh, nice. I like it. Yes, you could actually rotate these things maybe 3 times during cooking, so you don't get any hot spots, but I like them a bit crispy on the outside, so that's perfect for me. Next, McKennedy curlies from Lidl, and somewhere around here it will tell us temperatures and whatnot. I'm guessing 170 degrees from 12 to 15 minutes. These are somewhat pre-cooked already partially, so this is why what this is telling us for fries doesn't match, because it tells you for fresh fries. Needed to split the bag in 2. This unit could not take it all, 750 grams. It was at the top, so I decided to split it in 2. The other unit, I think it's a 5 liter or 5.2 liter one. That one could take a bag like this full, but yeah, this one needs to split it in 2. So anyway, let's plug this in. You need to hold on to the unit, otherwise it will not plug in. No, for air fryer 200 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. I will put it at 13 minutes, 200 degrees, and we'll see. And yes, at about middle time I will stop, rotate the fries a bit and then continue. As always, long press to adjust it much quicker. Same for temp. Go Planet. Half time, but I noticed something compared to the old one. This one is outputting towards the back way less hot air, and it's not outputting it really strongly like a jet. It's allowing it more to lift up. so it's not such a big danger of melting stuff. So they upgraded this unit. It's better than the old one in terms of noise, and it seems performance, also not heating up that much on the sides. Yeah, okay, I like it. I don't like the shiny stuff, but I like the unit up until now. So let's rotate them. Ooh, nice. Just as an idea, thinking about it, not blowing so much air towards the back, so not wasting it, not heating up that much on the sides. This potentially is more energy efficient than the older unit. And they are done. So now I'm going to put it in the bowl and put the second batch in here. Also, seeing that little debris right there, a bit of potato, I realized this one just has holes. The older one had some bigger channels that allowed stuff like that to much easier fall behind it, and you would always need to clean. This one keeps stuff on top, and it just falls away when you put it in a bowl, for example. When holding it from the back, watch out, because it will be hot in that area, so maybe hold it a bit from the top when pushing this in. And yes, because of the way it's matte, any grease on it will make marks, and you will need to clean them, obviously, so also on the top. But yeah, it is what it is. So now let's do the second one. And it's almost done. So from my point of view, this unit is working perfectly. It has a few recipes, basically only time and temperature for various things that you can do, but it's for them fresh, not from bags like I did it, because then it would overcook them. But if you are doing fresh fries, for example, the recipe works, and for the others also most likely. And yeah, but overall, unit working well, seems to be more efficient. And what can I say? If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. And it will beep any moment. Bye.